Describing people. My name is Iseli Díaz Gómez. Inesa Buldo. She is fair, tall, and black. She has light brown eyes. She has black hair and long. She is keen, intelligent, sociable, generous, and respectful. Life. She likes to work as a hairdresser, cook, and share moments with her family. Dislike. She doesn't like the mess, the bad words, and the lies. Gilberto Diaz. He is thin, small, and black. He has dark brown eyes, short black hair, and he is creative, sociable, helpful, and tolerant. Like. He likes to drink and go to parties with his friends. Dislike. He doesn't like politics, lies, evil, and injustice. Juan Diaz. He is thin, tall, and white. He has light brown eyes, short bright hair, and he is intelligent, responsible, tender, and loyal. Life. He likes mechanic food and likes to go out with his friends. Dislike. He doesn't like the noise, lack of respect, and disorder in the house. Geraldine Gomez. She is fat, small, and white. She has light brown eyes, long black hair, and she is loving, friendly, cooperative, and compassionate. Like. She likes food, singing, going to church, and sharing moments with her family. Dislike. She doesn't like lies, hypocrisy, gossip, and going out on the street. Thank you.